Hey there, laundry legends! Ready to join us on a journey through the cozy world of the best portable dryers for 2024? Get ready to discover the warmth and convenience these little powerhouses bring to your laundry game. I've done the heavy lifting for you, checking out all the nifty features and top-notch performances of portable dryers. From dorm rooms to small apartments, we got your back. So grab your popcorn or maybe your freshly cleaned socks, why not both, as I spill the beans on my top picks for the year. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. And hey, for all you savvy shoppers out there, don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video. Let's make laundry day a breeze together. Number 5. Rosen 110 volt. This is my top choice for best convenience, with a powerful 850 watt kick and a generous 10 pounds capacity. This bad boy ensures your laundry dries up quick, even on rainy days. Just a heads up, though, go easy on it. No more than 5.5 pounds of clothes at a time if you're aiming for a speedy dry. Now what's cool about this dryer is its compact and portable vibe. Weighing in at 37 pounds and sizing up at 19.5 inch by 16.5 inch by 24 inch, it's perfect for snug spots like apartments or dorms. You can even pop it on the wall with the nifty mounting kit included. And let's talk style. Classic white with a see-through door window, giving your laundry room that touch of modern elegance. Plus, operating this thing is a breeze. From your grandparent to your little cousin, everyone can handle it. With various drying modes, it's all about making our lives a tad more convenient and healthier. Oh, did I mention it comes with a sweet 1-year warranty? Yeah, it's got your back. Number 4. Panda. My top pick for tight living spaces. This compact gem, 16.1 inch length by 19.5 inch width by 23.8 inch height, is a space saver, perfect for apartments, dorms, or even as your backup in the laundry room. Now why I recommend this? Well, it's a smart laundry choice with 4 drying programs: strong, intelligent, air, and normal drying. No tangles here thanks to the forward and reverse drum movements. Plus, it's a high performer with an 850 watt motor, handling everything from baby clothes to yoga suits. Keep it efficient by not overloading. 5.5 pounds max, folks. Portable and electricity saving, it's got a sleek digital touchscreen, a removable lint filter, and a mounting bracket kit. Plug it in anywhere with that regular 3-prong 110-120 volt setup and watch your electricity bill thank you. Durability? Check. The stainless steel interior tub is rust resistant and won't chip. Plus, it's the quiet type, shoving off automatically when your clothes hit that sweet spot of dryness. Number 3. Costway 1700 watt. It's my top pick for best efficiency for families looking for efficiency without the fuss. With a generous 3.22 cubic feet capacity, it handles up to 13.2 pounds of laundry, covering the drying needs of the whole crew. The 120 volt and 60 Hz motor and PTC heat element bring on the warm airflow, ensuring a stable and low-noise drying performance. What's nifty is the forward and reverse tumble action, featuring a large diameter stainless steel tumble. No more tangled clothes and effectively smoothens out wrinkles, giving you that cozy feel. Plus, it's energy efficient with that 4-layer intake and exhaust filter, easy to clean for optimal performance. Automatic shutoff kicks in to save energy. Now for the quiet enthusiasts, this dryer won't disrupt your peace. Operating at a low noise level of 58 to 62 decibel. It's portable, weighing in at 59.5 pounds, and the 23.5 inch by 20 inch by 27.5 inch size makes it a perfect fit for apartments or dorm rooms. Wall mounted, place it on firm ground or rack mount. Your call. Just a heads up, the bracket isn't included, so keep that in mind. Number 2. Uomi. This is my top choice for best performance. This compact powerhouse boasts a 14-pound capacity with 1400 watt power, hitting a max temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a quick dry. Just make sure to give your clothes a good spin before tossing them in. Now what sets this one apart is its front and back flip function. The large diameter stainless steel flip ensures your clothes get the rotation they need, avoiding tangles and leaving them fluffy and comfy. The two-way flip not only saves energy but also cuts down on drying time. With a liquid crystal display LCD, this electric dryer offers 4 modes: strong, intelligent, eco, and normal, catering to all your drying needs. The 110-volt design ensures safety, with a wide-angle door opening and a transparent window for easy monitoring. Safety first, folks. If you open the door mid-cycle, it automatically stops. Portable and safe, with a handle for easy moving, this dryer fits snugly in small spaces like apartments or dorms. Countertop, ground, or mounted, your call. Number 1. Black+decker BCEE15. Here's my top pick for the best overall. No need for complicated electrical setups, just plug in the 3-prong and connect to your standard 120-volt outlet. Compact and practical, this vented dryer, 23.8 inch by 19.5 inch by 16.1 inch, is perfect for smaller spaces, weighing in at 37.5 pounds. It may be small, but it gets the job done. Clean towels, shirts, pants, you name it. Now, what I recommend about this portable dryer is its 4 different programs: high temperature drying, sensor dry, air dry, and anti-wrinkle. Real drying options tailored to your needs. And don't be fooled by its size. It can handle 5.5 pounds of clothing per cycle with its stainless steel interior drum and front-loading design. What's neat are the added features: an exhaust connector, adjustable leveling legs, overheat protection, and a double-layer lint filter. Well, there you have it, folks. Our chat about the best portable dryers for 2024. If you're on the hunt for a nifty laundry sidekick, we covered some top picks. For the latest prices and deals, just check out the links in the description, because who doesn't love a good bargain? If our laundry banter hit the spot, toss us a thumbs up, share the knowledge with your laundry comrades, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell icon. Stay tuned for all the freshest laundry content, tips, and reviews coming your way. Until our next laundry rendezvous, happy drying, everyone.